So you just rewrote a commit. Maybe you amended the message, maybe you rebased, doesn't matter. You try to push and rejected. What happened here is that when you rewrote that commit, your local branch and the remote branch diverge. They have the same name, but they tell different stories now. Git sees this mismatch and refuses to push. So you Google it, and every answer tells you the same thing. Just do a git push force, and it works. Your code is up, problem solved. Except git push force doesn't just push your code, it completely replaces the remote branch with your local version. Whatever was on the remote is gone. If you're working alone, that's fine. There's nothing else on the remote to lose. But let's say someone else, let's say your friend John, was working on the same branch as you. While you were busy rewriting your commit, John pushed his own commits to the remote. When you run git push force, Git doesn't check for John's commits. It just overwrites everything. John's work is gone, and he doesn't even know yet. And if multiple people on the team do this, you'll constantly be destroying each other's work without realizing it. So instead of using git push force, use git push force with lease. What does that do? It does the exact same thing. It force pushes your rewritten history to the remote, but before it does, it checks. Has anyone else pushed to this branch since you last pulled? If no one has, it pushes. Your rewritten history goes up exactly like force. If someone has, like John with his 3 commits, it refuses. It tells you the remote has changed and you need to deal with that first. John's commits stay safe, nothing gets overwritten. Now what do you do if it refuses? You just pull the new changes, resolve them, and then force push again with force with lease. That's it. By the way, because git push force with lease is a lot to type, you can create an alias. Run git config global alias.pf, push force with lease, and now you just type git pf. Same safety, way less typing. Also, one more note, please like and comment. So YouTube pushes this video to more people. It would be a huge help for me. Thanks.